Thin, inexpensive bent metal tile hooks will flex considerably in windy conditions. Compounding the problem, many of these hooks have little deflection clearance needed to raise the arm safely above the tile below. In fact, many tile hook applications, the arm rests directly on the tiles. This creates gaps that allow excessive amounts of wind-driven rain to reach the underlayment. Compounding the problem is tile hooks often have sharp metal corners that, when adjusted in the full down position, will contact the underlayment, potentially cutting through and creating water intrusion risk right where the wind-driven rain drips off the tile above. A solar array will move up and down even in moderate wind. That movement transfers down to the mounts, and as a result, a weak hook with inadequate deflection clearance will flex considerably, continuously slapping against the top of the tile underneath. An undesired noise nuisance will be created for the homeowner, but more importantly, this repeated impact could break the tile. Quick Mount PV's Quick Hook has a much thicker cross-section, making it stronger than bent metal tile hooks. This increased strength and rigidity greatly minimizes hook flex even in strong winds. Problems can also arise if the tile is not properly notched. A propped-up tile will rock back and forth on the hook, increasing risk of tile breakage in a serious wind event. Notching the weather guard lug to fit over the tile hook does take a bit more time, leading some installers to skip this important step. Fortunately, Quick Mount PV also has a solution that eliminates tile grinding. Our tile replacement flashing replaces the tile and works with all standard tile hooks. The pass-through for the hook is created in seconds using a pair of tin snips.